Today we'll be replacing the exhaust system on a GMC Envoy. This will consist of what is commonly known as a catback, which includes the muffler, resonator, and tailpipe. We'll also be asking the common question, can my car catch on fire from an old exhaust system? As well as, what is the difference between stainless steel and aluminized steel? For this repair, you will need the following: a catback system, preferably stainless steel, a sawzall, jack and jack stands, impact wrench, 14 and 15 millimeter impact sockets, flathead screwdriver. If you are replacing the original factory exhaust, you will have to make 2 cuts on the exhaust system, one directly after the muffler and one right in front of the resonator. We recommend a 12 amp sawzall with blades used for cutting metal such as Milwaukee's torch blades.
But try to hold it steady. Okay, a little bit more. There you go. Here,
from the rear of the car, make a second cut directly in front of the resonator.
Yep. There you go. A little harder. Perfect. It's not even moving now. It's stuck right in there. So,
Yeah.
Off of it. Yeah, perfect. Now do it. Yeah, it sounds like
That good?
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do? Like replace it, or?
Yeah, well, yeah. Cool. So we got that. Nice.
You may have to cut the ends of the hangers when installing your new exhaust. Cut the ends off to remove the resonator and tailpipe.
To try to like pull it towards you and just, yeah, as hard as you can. Like hold both sides. See if you can get it out. You know what? All right. Just gotta use the saw again. Okay, almost there. This thing's a workout. It sucks.
It's recording.
Okay.
Monumental hillbilly located.
There we go. Like Steve Irwin. Wow, this thing is really shot. So, here we go.
Drag the new tailpipe and resonator over the rear differential. You will use a U-bolt or flange to secure it.
Bam!
You may have to cut the ends of the hangers when installing your new exhaust. Cut the ends off to remove the resonator and tailpipe.
Ow! Damn it!
Once the resonator and tailpipe have been removed, you can remove the muffler. You have to unscrew the two 15mm bolts that may require an impact wrench to get off. In our case, one of the nuts broke the bolt off while we were unscrewing. This doesn't matter, as we will use all new nuts and bolts. These two 15mm bolts connect the muffler to a catalytic converter. Drag the muffler from under the car once disconnected. Here's a comparison of a muffler with 200,000 miles, 13 years, versus a brand new muffler.
Yeah.
Drag the new muffler underneath the car. Feed it over the crossbars and align the flange on the two bolt holes of the catalytic converter flange. Tighten the two 15mm bolts to the required torque specifications.
Perfect.
Feed the hangers of the new resonators onto the rubber hangers on the chassis.
Oh.
Aluminized steel is more corrosive than stainless steel. Does the type of stainless steel exhaust matter? Yes. 430, 316, 304 are the most common stainless steel types used for automotive exhaust. 304 has the highest amount of chromium and the lowest amount of nickel, making it the least corrosive of the three types. Some stainless steel systems can last 15 years in the Midwest, while others only 3. New exhaust will emit an odor for the first few days after installation as they burn off remnant chemicals left over from production. Feed the resonator pipe over the rear differential and connect it to the back of the muffler pipe. Place the U-bolt where resonator pipe connects to the muffler pipe and hand tighten to the point where that neither pipe can move. Can an old exhaust system cause your car to catch on fire? Yes. In the instant of the top muffler cracking, the exhaust heat will be directed to the floorboards of the car and can reach in excess of 600 degrees. This will cause the floorboard to heat up and melt the adhesive glue that holds the carpet of the floorboards, ultimately igniting the carpet inside the car.
Okay, I'll bring it back in.
When you are done removing your old exhaust, take them to a local scrap parts place where they can be recycled and you will receive a small amount of money.
Yeah.
The parts and prices are listed below. Moron Reviews saved a total of $450 on this repair. Thanks for watching.